Now the next question is that determine the percent liable to pay GST and extent of GST payable. Applicable GST rate is 18% in the following cases. Assume sums are exclusive of taxes. Both service supplier and recipient are located in India and service is provided during the month of February 2020. The first question is manpower services, manpower supply services, that means security personnel services by partnership fund to the business entity being a company. Here the supplier of the service is the partnership fund and recipient of the services is business entity. We know as per NT 14, if security services, if the security services are provided by a person other than body corporate, to a registered person, then it will attract RCM. But here the supplier is a partnership fund which is to be considered as a body corporate as per section 2 subsection 11 of Companies Act 2013, and since the service is provided by a body corporate, here RCM is not being applicable. RCM is applicable when such services are supplied by a person other than a body corporate to a registered person. Since here the supplier of services is a partnership firm, here it is taxable on the forward charge basis, and here the provider of services, that means the partnership firm, are liable to pay GST. The manpower supply services by a partnership firm to a business entity being a company, entire GST is payable by the service supplier on forward charge basis. So here the amount of consideration is rupees 12 lakh, rate of GST is 18%, so the amount of GST comes to rupees 2,16,000 and it is to be paid by the supplier. Next question is that security services provided by an individual to a business entity. Here, since the supplier of service is not a body corporate and it is provided to a registered person, here reverse charge mechanism is to be applicable. Here the amount of consideration is rupees 11 lakh, and on that consideration GST is to be paid by the recipient of service, that means the body corporate or the company, that is the registered person located in taxable territory. Here the amount of GST comes to 11 lakh into 18%, which comes to 1,98,000, and this is to be paid by the recipient of the service as per reverse charge mechanism. Third question is that manpower supply by a company to a business entity being a company, and the consideration is rupees 12 lakh. Here the service is provided by a person which is to be taken as the corporate body, and when such service is provided by a body corporate, then it will not attract RCM. That means here that services is taxable under forward charge basis, and here the supplier of service is liable to pay GST. And here amount of GST, that means on rupees 12 lakh is the consideration on which the GST will be 12 lakh into 18%, which comes to 2,16,000, and it is to be paid by the supplier of service under forward charges. Here the supplier of services are responsible for paying GST. Now next, work contract services provided by an individual to a business entity being a company. Now that item are not covered under section 9 subsection 3 of CGST Act 2017. That means here the process of RCM is not to be applicable. So here it is taxable under forward charge basis, and here the supplier of service is responsible for paying GST. Here supplier of services is the individual who supplying work contract services. So here the amount of GST, that is rupees 14 lakh into 18%, that comes to 2,52,000, and it is to be paid by the supplier of the services, that means of the work contractor. He is the person who is responsible for paying GST on the amount of the services that is provided by it. So here the provider of the services, that means the work contractor, is liable to pay GST. Now the next question is that from the following information pertaining to the month of December 2019, determine the person liable to pay GST and extent of GST payable. Mr. Loxman is an author of the book named My Biography. Mr. Loxman transferred the right to use the copyright of his books to Messrs. APPL publishers located in New Delhi for rupees 10 lakh excluding tax. Mr. Laxman claims that no GST payable since his aggregate turnover does not exceed 20 lakh. Rate of GST 12%. We know as per entry 9A, as per entry 9A of section 9 subsection 3 of CGST Act 2017, where the author provide original literary work to a publishers. Here the author is the supplier of service, and author means here Mr. Loxman is the supplier of the services, and recipient of the services is ABPL publishers. And in that case, section entry 9A will be applicable, and as per entry 9A, the option to pay GST will depends upon the author, since here author is not liable to pay GST under forward charges because he is not a registered person. Here on the amount of the consideration that is generated, that means on rupees 10 lakh, the GST is to be payable by the publishers, that means the recipient of the services, as per reverse charge mechanism as per entry 9A of section 9 subsection 3 of CGST Act 2017. So here GST that comes to 20 lakh into 12%, that means rupees 1 lakh 20,000 is to be paid by the recipient of services, that means the publishers named Messrs. APPL.